Hello everybody, I hope you're well and okay and you're enjoying my videos and content. Phew, I've been at it all day, haven't I? I've hardly had any time for myself, or to myself, to be honest. I've just been so busy today doing videos for you, which I really hope you're enjoying them and everything I'm doing. It means a lot to me to make you guys happy, and I'm trying to meet your requests. I really am. I was quite successful with putting the angel on top of the tree like someone requested, so I am glad if I made you all happy with that. Now, welcome to my bird and budgie talk. This probably won't be for very long, so I hope you forgive me for this. But what I wanted to talk to you about is, does your budgie recognise your face or faces? Now, reading between the lines, it's not really your faces they get to know. Can you have a guess with what they get to know? Right, Sammy, where are you? Where's that little bird of mine? Good girl, she's such a good girl. Sammy says hello, as usual. She's such a good girl. Oh, kiss on the nose as always. Kiss on the nose. Now, budgies are sensitive creatures, as you know. And when they're in a flock, they get to know each other. And the way they get to know each other is the voice. It may surprise you to know, instead of faces and being visual, it's the voice. The voices of humans and birds. So that's how they get to know their owners. Isn't it sweet? They get to know the owners by the voice. That's right, isn't it? Yes. And when budgies get to know their owners by the voice, that's why usually, well, Sammy doesn't talk, but some budgies do, especially males, and they learn to mimic the owner's voice. So I just thought you'd be interested to know that. And especially when they are really bonded to their owners. So talking to a budgie, whether it's in person, just like me and Sammy, or whether it's down a phone, or if I phoned our Sammy, she'd know it was me because she's heard my voice a million billion times already. So she'll know my voice. Okay. So I thought you'd find that interesting. So I could probably wear a mask, use this voice, and she'd still know it was me because she knows my voice. So it's of an audio communication rather than a visual. Okay. Well, this is the very last video I'm doing today. because I've never stopped. I've hardly been off my feet. I did the Christmas tree, as you could see in the background. Today I've done plenty food videos. Please check out all my videos and content, as you may enjoy them. Please, if you feel I deserve a thumbs up and a subscription, please do this. As always, it does mean so much. Thank you to my current subscribers and hopefully future subscribers, as you will all be amazing. Thank you for your lovely comments. I really enjoy reading them and responding to them as best I can. You really lighten up my day with your comments and your likes, and I just can't thank you enough for all the support you're giving me. It really does give me a lift, and hopefully I can continue with making more videos on content, which I think you will enjoy, because it's all about making you happy as best I can. But for now, for today, from Sammy and me, enjoy the rest of your night. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.